Gerard. These are some white hackle blood. This is a Cobra A seal with some black muff, ironhead. This is a beautiful hen with a minor blue cock. Two blue hens with a beautiful A seal roundhead rooster. A pair of nice black muffs on the leg. And my Gerard solid kit hatch with two beautiful Kelsos. One Cecil Davis, one Johnny Jumper. No, I'm sorry. She is a John O'Fallon out and out. And the little pins. Water bowls and down in their hay to scratch. Beautiful little baby. The round pins for scratching in the leaves. A couple of the laying hens out waiting for a coop in the smaller pen. Some of the mugs in the pen will have a nest soon, breeding. The little cobras with one setting in the nest there. Some others in their other pens that have been freshly wheat strawed. Beautiful hatch there. And Gerard baby doll down there. Another beautiful white Kelso. A gorgeous little hatch. A Kelso again. Beautiful little speckled back booger. Beautifully hayed pins, water cups, strutty hatch up there, round head, hatch gray, the old Harold stuff, splash mug, and there's an A-seal round head, beautiful A-seal round head in his pen. Some of the barrels with ties and teepees with ties for the birds. Her lazy hound dog in his box doing his nightly guard duty getting ready, who keeps varmints out of the yard. A very good chicken dog, does not bother chickens, does not suck eggs. Just what you would be wanting in the proper chicken dog. Does not like coons, does not like possums and other vermin. A couple of new nesters to be going in an Gerard pen and see what else I need to nest in. Here is some of my fast side of the beautiful McLean blood apparels with a beautiful girl on the nest. Lightly hay. After adding a very nice wheat straw, which we use these bales of wheat straw to scatter for our pens. This is Gopher. He was traded for using a dozen pure hatch cross eggs, two breeds of hatch, McLean and Blueface. Gopher is not pretty, freshly wormed yesterday. Has his new feed he's getting used to. And his Wawa. He will have him a good pen outside later. This where Gopher is for the time being. The old feed out pen.